This is Will and he has cystic fibrosis, and we are trying to make a difference to his everyday needs as he has to take medicine every day and night. The problem is, when Lynn cleans the apparatus, it doesn't dry properly, so we came up with some designs to help it dry.
So we've been 3D printing and trying very hard, and we have come up with a few products. So this one we printed, but it was too small, and this one wasn't hollow, but we finally got our last product, and here it is.
Yeah, because this one, you don't have to really open it too much.
No, it's perfect.
Yeah, and I like how you put all different patterns on there. Well, it can be a bit tricky sometimes with my nebuliser because I have to do this other important stuff with it, so it can be pretty tricky, and because of having to go to hospital.
Will, what did you think when you heard that the class were trying to make you something to make your day a little bit easier?
I was actually very happy. I liked it. I liked the idea, and when I actually saw them, I was pretty impressed. It actually did work.
This is our design for Will, and this is one stand and this is the other.
For the cylinder, and it's got a thing where you can pull it up, and we're going to make it the size of the bottom circle so it doesn't push all the water down.
So at the start when we were designing, we had a few ideas, but then we came up with this one and we put them.
Everyone was engaged trying to make prototypes that would help dry Will's apparatus quicker. We worked together and shared ideas to create our design.
So it needs a stand, and the stand will hold it up, and there will be a circle in the middle that will hold the cup.
Please provide an update on when or can be will likely be listed on the PDS and therefore become available to children like Will. Thank you.
The Minister for Health.
Thank you very much, Mr Speaker, and I want to thank the member for Mayo for this question. She's been very sincere and long-standing in her advocacy for patients with cystic fibrosis.
So, Will, how do you like our designs?
I like how creative you were.
Towards the end, it felt better and better because we were making something for someone in need, and Will loved our designs.